I'm here with Pete Steen. He is a principal at Michigan Software Labs, and we're so glad to have you here, Pete.
Glad to be here.
So we're talking about how you match up a client's needs when it comes to software design and software development, and how you tailor your solutions to fit that different approach.
Yeah, well, each client is different, right? And so it really starts with asking a lot of questions so we can understand their business, the problem they're trying to solve, who their users are. And the more questions we ask, the more we uncover, and the better we're able to provide them with something that's going to fit that need exactly, from a technical side and from a design side. So questions is really at the foundation of our approach to understanding that client need.
Awesome. So how do you leverage the team's capabilities here? I would think, they've got some software solutions and some things that might add value. Can you share maybe some key strategies or methodologies that you follow?
Yes, I think the key there is leveraging the entire team at Michigan Labs, not just an individual project team that's directly supporting a client, but we have a broad expertise at Michigan Labs, and we will often pull people in from other projects because they can speak to a problem we're having, something we're trying to solve for that can really be in the best interest of the client. And the team here is incredible, whether it's development or design. It's a great way to build community as a team, but also serve our clients really well.
That's great. So last question here, but a lot of our clients might not be technical. They're a vice president somewhere. They don't have a technical background. They're more on the business side. How do you really match up to understand, to fill that gap, to make sure that the value that we're able to provide to them is effective?
That's a great question. I would go back to leveraging the team. We have such an incredible breadth of knowledge and experience here that when there is a tough technical thing that we want to be able to describe to a client or explain to a client, we will just bring in our technical experts. Same is true with design. User experience and user interface within an application, web or mobile, is so critical to the success of the project. And so if we can bring in someone with that expertise who can speak that language really well, they can do a much better job of explaining why this is the way to go than I can. And so it just goes back to leveraging that team, and it's a much better experience for the client, and it's a much better experience for our people here at Michigan Labs.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much, Pete, for joining us.